Hi, do you have a burning desire to invest in mutual funds but don't know how to invest in mutual funds? Today, I will tell you 3 easy and simple steps to invest in mutual funds. Hi, myself Saisi Harsha. Welcome to my channel Personal Finance Manifesto. Let's go. Step number 1, invest by SIP route. That is nothing but systematic investment plan, where you invest a small amount of money at regular interval, mostly monthly SIP. Second step is using 80-20 rule. So we'll see what is 80-20 rule. Let's go. Whatever you are investing in SIP, we divide into three things: age, equity, and debt. Let's say you are 25 to 35. You just started your career, you are young and probably take more risk. So you put your 80% SIP in equity and 20% debt. Now going back to 35 and 45 age, probably this is the age you are married and have kids, so you take less risk. So invest 75% in equity and 30% in debt. Coming back to 45 to 55, probably you are planning for your kids education, marriage, etc., so you have to take medium risk. Still you can put easily 60% SIP in equity and 40% debt. Last come your retirement age. So this 55 to 60, you have to take least risk, so you have to completely protect your capital, so you put 20% in equity and 80% in debt. So you see, from starting from 25, you're investing for a long term, 10 years, here also 10 years, 10 years and 5 years, 35 years. So here it is, you have invested 35 years in mutual fund through SIP, through a disciplined approach. Now let us see how much corpus you have accumulated, assuming a market return of 12%. Let us see that with some calculations. Let's go. Let us see from some simple SIP calculator available online. Let's say you're investing 10,000 rupees monthly SIP with an expected return of 12% with for a time frame of 35 years. Now you see you have accumulated 6.49, that is 6 crores 49 lakhs 52,691, approximately 6.49 crores. So you see, with a simple SIP discipline investing of 10,000 rupees with 12 years return period, 35 years, you will get 6.49 crores. So becoming rich is easy. So what are you waiting for? Let's go and invest. Step number 3 is stepping up your investments. Now we will see what is step up SIP. Let's say monthly you're contributing 1000 rupees. Now you're stepping up your SIP by say 10%. That means your new monthly contribution will be 1100. That is nothing but 1000 plus 10%. That is 1000 rupees. That is 1100 rupees. So step up SIP means a small increase in investment from your end. Now you have seen that what is step up SIP. Now I will show you with some calculations that with step up SIP how much corpus you are going to get in this all 35 years. What is your accumulation of the corpus with some calculations. Let's go. Now let us do some calculation with step up SIP calculator. We are investing 10,000 monthly SIP with annual step up of 10%, expecting a return of 12%, and as usual the time period we're taking is 35 years. Now you see the value is 17 crores 76 lakhs 69,396, or approximately 17 crore rupees. So you see, with simple long term consistent investment and with step up SIP, you're able to manage 17 crores in 35 years time period with a annual return of 12%. So it's just easy to become rich. Now let's go. What are you waiting for? I hope that you have got the point. So kindly suggest the topic for our next video, and thanks for watching Personal Finance Manifesto. Let's go.